I have a past client, I've known him for about 20 years, that lives on the West Coast, and he's a designer, he's a clothes designer. And he's very creative with his cars, and he'll take a car and put his own touch in it. The cosmetics of the car is pretty because it's a black car with the white coats, and he blacked out the wheels, put oversized Michelin tires on it, and then it has red leather interior with the black piping. So it's cosmetically a very attractive car. And then this unique hardtop, which is a big bubble. The factory once had braces in the back windows. He removed those and reinforced it another way. So it's got this big plexiglass back window. It's very exotic looking. He wanted more room on the dash, and he wanted roll-up windows, but he wanted the rear end that sat down low like the earlier cars. He needed that room for that dash because he was going to put an air conditioning in it. The way he installed it, you don't even see the air conditioning. It's back up underneath the dash, and it's really nicely done. And who has an air conditioner in a two-seater Austin Healey? You just don't. It's a big six-cylinder, straight six-cylinder Austin Healey engine, which has wonderful tone. And he had a specially designed exhaust, and he pulled it off to the side of the car versus running it all the way to the back of the car. Nobody grasped the amount of time and energy and thought that it takes to put a car like that together. But the more time you spend with it and the more you look at it, the more interesting little things you see. The work that's been done on it makes for a unique drive. It makes for a unique look for sure. And it just sets it apart from the rest of the gang.